the tail end of the project, and we are hoping, save for a few challenges like in terms of money, we would comfortably say we'll be finishing in the next, say, 2.5 months. We are being held by this road to the middle one here, but the main works, we are nearly finishing. The bridges are almost finished. There are a few outstanding works like the parapets before we can open the road to the public.
Riu wona farafara ino yarika nitanyito kwarahura wonjoria o ndomwe na ugendi gatagati-ini ga kaunti ya Mombatha na kaunti ya Kwale. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma gicua-ini kaunti ya Mombatha, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.
Riboti yo kuma mwena wa gicua-ini niyo tugukorwo tugitiriha kujogito kia mbere kia mutamburuko wa mohoro ndugafashie mitambo ni tugucokereria tuthie na mbere kana tuingire thiini wa gikunjo gia keri tuingire bitika iharo-ini ni thutha wa ihinda ritari coho.
Cheza kama wewe na cheza sita. Wehotanira ginyagia maita 5,000 ma beti yaku teke. Yes, ni uhuthu. Hihinya *675# uthake na namba 6 cia munyaka kuma 1 nginya 6. Ikira muigana wa beti yaku kuma 50 tu wehotanira ginyagia maita 5,000 hau. Cheza kama wewe na cheza sita. Wigire mweke muhari miekene ya gutuika muhotani. Hihinya *675# uthake o riu. Mundu utakinyetie miaka 18 ndagathake. Thaka na uigirereki. Itangatho riri ni rihitukie ni BCLB.
Ataenda kucheza nje na hii baridi yote. Why did you let him go? Si atagonjeka.
Sasa asipofanya tizi, how will he win more trophies? To protect our family from germs that cause illness when it's cold, we use Dettol soap.
Dettol soap with germ defense gives you protection. When it's cold, germs are transferred in different ways. And Dettol soap's germ defense protects you from up to 100 illness-causing germs. Be Dettol sure.
This back to school, visit the supermarket and enjoy discounts and gifts on Dettol products.
Thika Institute of Business Studies ni marakungwira miaka 20 ya urutani wa gikiro kia iguru. Tips College ni mehotanĩire thĩinĩ wa sector ya technical education kuria marathomithia makiria ma kothi 90 iria ni accredited ta hospitality, business, IT, fashion and interior design, social work and community health, hairdressing and beauty therapy, engineering, mass communication and journalism na driving classes. Lecturers at Tips College ni qualified na indo cia guthomithia ni cia kiriu. Tips College, a highway to future success.
Kwanyu murairi atia?
Turaigua thayo, gutire wasi
Uito turaire tukigua mbuna ku barabara.
Niki kimuhinyereirie muno na kihonia giakio niki?
Watu ni okinyira 200.
Kwe kundu kumomboriro
marendia cia ene kuo.
Andiki aitu marishe baituri-ini ciothe cia bururi niguo gukuhe mweke wa kwiario na kuheana kihonia kia mathina manyu.
Kaunti ya Murang'a North bina ruhuho. Cemania nanie Wambui wa Mwangi ngikuhe ndeto cararuku kuma maishania nginya mugono guku metumi.
Kuma guku kaunti ya Nyeri urenyitanagira nanie Wahu wa Ngugi.
Na kuo kaunti namba 20 kaunti ya Kirinyaga ni wainaina wa kiarie turikoragwo tukinyitana nawe mwiroreri wa Kameme TV.
Nyitanagira na ithue o muthenya wa Jumatatu o ginyagia wa Gatano tukiururia kwenjera ona kuburia maria marahanika.
Turarimo ni kurima ni tondu wa fertilizer.
Tabarĩra-inĩ ya ndurumeni matũra-inĩ thaa 6 cia muthenya ginyagia thaa 7 o kiumia. Nĩ gũkũ gwa Kameme TV, muthegi wa rũrĩrĩ.
Tuingire mbitika iharo-ini na makocha timu cia bururi mubira-ini wa moko mwena-ini wa iritu undu umwe na anake nicio Wafalme na Malkia Strikers ni magwetete skodi iri kanyitite migucanio-ini ciukite cia kwigwatira tigiti wa mathako ma African Games maria makabiria tariki 26 nginyanagia tariki 28 mweri uyu bururi-ini wa Misri. Timu ya anake iri rungu rwa kocha Gideon Tarus ikaurugamirirwo ni athaki 18 aria ni hamwe na Captain Brian Kelly na murunawe Kelvin Kipkosgei. Mwena-ini wa Nyarari naguo kocha Jafeth Munala ni athurite skodi ya keneria igutongorio ni Captain Masi Moim. Itanya inene ria timu ici ni kurikia mari na bemwe na uguo kuyukia hotani wa ngucanio ici undu uria ukamahe mweke wa kunyita itemi mathako-ini ma gitaru-ini kia Afrika.
Teams wako na chance ya kuqualify kwenda All African Games, but sisi tunataka tukipata hiyo title ya Zone 5 champion itakuwa muhimu kwetu sana.
Last time tukucheza mzuri wakati tulienda Egypt nikicompare with Rwanda and Sai. Naona mood za wachezaji Sai ni tofauti sana kulingana na vile tulikuwa tumeenda Egypt. What I'm promising vile naona wachezaji yangu, I know tutaenda qualify for African Games. That's our prayer and that's what we are fighting for.
We have a lot of players in Kenya, and as you look at the Malkia Strikers now, the training, there are a lot of new faces. So we are working on these new faces to make sure that the year is long and full of activities, so we may have some players breaking down. So having a good number of players, good players in Kenya would give us an advantage over other teams. So we are working on these young players at the same time, preparing for a big task ahead of us.
Tugithina mbere Mildred Cheche niwe wanirirwo ta kocha mweru wa timu ya bururi mubira-ini wa maguru kuria iritu matakiritie ukuru wa miaka 17 niyo Junior Starlets ni kiama KFKF akiongerera matamu motongoria kuma kana akioerera matamu motongoria kuma kuri kocha wa timu ya bururi ya Harambee Starlets Beldino Demba. Cheche noria ni kocha wa gikiro gia CAF B no iguthie na mbere na gutungata ta munini wa kocha timu-ini ya Harambee Starlets undu mwe na timu-ini ya athaki matakiritie ukuru wa miaka 20 niyo Rising Starlets. Cheche eguteithiririo ni Anna Luoch Kifaro akiao kinene ari gutigirira bururi-ini weka wega raudi-ini ya keri ya ngucanio ciukite cia kwigwatira tigiti wa gikombe gia thi kuri athaki matakiritie ukuru wa miaka 17. Riboti yo kuma iharo-ini cito betika iharo-ini nio tugukorwo tugikira gaturumo mutamburuko ito mohoro hwaini uyu wa umuthi tugagicokia ngatho nyingi no makiria ni aria magitwandikiire George wa Kaba kuma Naivasha Kayole. Thengio muno makiria uruga ni gwikirwo ngirimiti njega ya thukuru cia Naivasha uhoro wa waki wa macukuru ma muthingi. Thengio nundu wa ndumiriri yaku Francis Kimani. Thengio nundu wa ndumiriri Naomi Mwangi kuma Narok kuruga twi hamwe mama Tiffany wa Ihoni. Thengio muno makiria nundu wa ndumiriri yaku twagicokia ngatho nundu wa unyitaniri wanyu. Emma wa Fortune Sacco kuma Kirogo ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga Agi na Wambui wa Kamuto Mwalimu Urembo Mario Kirogo ya na Rosaline Wago hamwe na ciana ciake Vincent Karimi na Gloria Muthoni meitura-ini ria Kaboge kaunti ya Kirinyaga mari mitambo-ini ya ceceni ya Kameme TV. Tugagicokia ngatho nyingi muno makiria ni nyugukorwo munyitanire na ithuĩ hamwe na Mr. Kathwe haria Mutito kaunti ya Kirinyaga. Ngatho nyingi muno makiria hau niho ngukorwo ngiamburira he maitu ya mutamburuko wa mohoro. Ni njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a tuguteithanagia na wagaki wa Muthoni.